Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about navigation through the Super Sales app for the frontline salesperson. For managers and admin, the navigation changes and these changes will be covered in a separate video. The first thing we do is sign in with our registered mobile number and password. To avoid downloading your large master data every time you log in, it is a good practice to keep logged into your account just like WhatsApp and Facebook. You will need a good network to log into your Super Sales account. Once you log in, you will see the home page or the sales plan page. All the action happens here. On the top left hand corner, there is the menu button. It has the two options: My Sales Tasks, My HR Tasks. On top of the menu, you can also access your profile by clicking on your name. This is your profile page. It has details about your manager's name, mobile number, email ID and permanent home address. There are also options to change your password. To do so, just enter your old password and then your new password and tap on OK. And change your mobile number. This change will go for approval to the admin. There is also an option to send your log file in case of any errors you face in the app. You can also see details about your reporting manager from the tabs above. For a manager, you can see the details of your existing team working with you as well. So, this profile serves for both team and self. Now, under the My Sales Tasks, there are multiple navigation options, namely, Home, Tracking, Activity, Knowledge Center, Cold Calls, Proposals, Invoices, Customer, Reports, Sales Target. And under My HR Tasks there are navigation options, namely, Attendance, Leaves, Expense Claims, Attendance Settings, Issue or Complaint Management. These are the main navigations for the app. Now, let's go back to the main home page by clicking the Home button on the top right hand corner. On the main home page, you will see three icons on the top right hand corner. These are Refresh Notifications, Approvals, Sync Data. Clicking Refresh will refresh the data on your home page. After tapping on the Notifications icon, you see two tabs: Notification and Approvals tab. The Notification tab contains the information about any activity performed by you. And the Approval tab is for managers. It shows all the approvals that come to you by your subordinates, for example, approval for leave attendance, manual check-in, etc. Clicking on Sync Data will sync your offline data captured when your network was weak or gone. Your offline data will be uploaded on the cloud server with this action. Back to the home page, at the left-hand bottom corner you see the Visits section. This section has three tabs, namely Planned Visits, Cold Call Visits and Approval tab. Planned Visits contains all the details of your active visits, which are visits that are still open and yet to be completed. You can filter these visits on the basis of customer, products, salesperson, product category, segment, class and created date. For example, if you want to filter the visits of all Gold class customers, you go to the Filters drop-down and select Class. Then you select Gold, and all the visits that fall under this category will be shown. There is an option for you to view all of your past visits as well, under the History option. You can filter the visits here as well under the same parameters. Next to the Plan tab, is the Cold Calls tab, which gives you all the required details about the cold call visits that you made. These visits are those visits where the customer is not in the master database. The rest of the detail is similar to the Plan tab. In the end, there is the Approval tab, which deals with all the visit-related approvals which have come to you. At the bottom, next to Visit, we have the Lead section. This contains details about all your open leads or the lead funnel. This funnel can be filtered by hot plus warm leads, by customer, by product, by type, created by person, etc. You can also view all the closed leads under the History tab. Next, on the app interface next to the homepage is the Order tab, which contains the list of all orders you've booked in the past month or whichever time period you've configured. You can also filter this list by different categories, namely customer, product, salesperson, product category, created date, product drive, pending for dispatch. On top of the sales order page, next to the list tab is the Summary tab, where you get a snapshot summary of your order booking for the selected time period. On bottom right, you have the Reports section, where you see your own daily sales report in real time. Under the Reports section, we have tabs for Summary, Movement Report, Visit Details, Order Details, Lead Details etc. This report is like your daily call report or daily sales report. You have the option of changing the date to see the report of any previous date. Manager also has the option to choose the salesperson for whom he or she wants to see the daily report. In this video, we have learnt about the navigation through the Super Sales app for the frontline salespeople. Thanks for watching.